difference in an AP if the first term is 6 and the nth term is 6 into n. Given that a is equal to first term 6, nth term is AP is equal to a plus n minus t. We know that from question. Therefore, a plus n minus 1 into t is equal to 6n. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus n minus 1 into t is equal to 6n from 1. Therefore, 6 plus n minus 6 plus n into d minus d is equal to 6 into n. N into d is minus d is equal to 6 into n minus 6. D taken d common from n and minus d. D into n minus 1 is equal to 6 into n minus 6. Therefore, d is equal to 6 into n minus 6 by n minus 1. Taken 6 from n minus 6. Therefore, n minus 1 and n minus 1 cancel. Therefore, d is equal to 6. D is equal to 6.